How to transfer money from Monzo to another account. So if you want to transfer money from Monzo to another account, then what you need to do is you can simply open up your application. So you can make a bank transfer to anyone with a UK bank account. You only need to have two things: the name of the person or company you're sending money to, their account number, and sort code. So here's how you can do it. First, tap on Payments icon in the menu bar and tap on Pay Someone. After that, you can tap on Make a Bank Transfer and follow the instructions. Transfers should happen instantly, but they can sometimes take up to 24 hours. If you want to make a transfer over 10,000 euros, you'll need to request a limit increase in the app. You can also make international transfers with the Wise integration. So that's how you can make a bank transfer in Monzo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.